Mga Kalisken at Liza supporters, may bagong pasabog si Liza Soberano. This time, hindi tungkol sa pelikula o series, kundi sa fashion world. Yes, you heard that right. Liza just launched her very own clothing brand called Studio Hope. Sa bagong Instagram account na @StudioHopeOfficial, makikita ang description na Hope is on its way. Made in Los Angeles. Simple pero powerful. Very Liza. At eto na nga sa unang post ng Studio Hope, ipinakita nila ang minimalist clothing tag na may nakasulat na Studio Hope, Made in Los Angeles. Kasabay nito ang caption na Every beginning starts with hope. Coming soon. Ang ganda no? Parang mensaheng punong-puno ng bagong simula at inspiration. At syempre, kumpirmadong kay Liza ito dahil nag-comment mismo si Liza Soberano sa post, saying, "Excited for everyone to see this. Grabe, sobrang exciting to. Parang isa na namang dream project na unti-unti niyang binubuo." Hindi rin nagpahuli ang mga fans at friends sa pag-congratulate kay Liza. "I have never followed an account so fast. So excited." May nagsabi rin ng, "We're so proud of you, Liza." At halos lahat ng comments punong-puno ng excitement, love at suporta. Isa pa nga sa mga fans nag-message ng, "Congrats, Liza! God bless you on your new venture." Habang ang iba naman ay nagsabi, "Wow, congratulations! So happy for you!" Kitang-kita talaga kung gaano ka-proud ang mga tao kay Liza. From actress to advocate, and now to entrepreneur. Patunay na she's not just chasing dreams, she's creating hope for others. Ang logo pa lang, elegant na. Hope written in script, symbolizing passion, simplicity, and a fresh start. Perfect representation ni Liza's journey sa Hollywood at sa creative world. Wala pang full reveal kung anong klaseng pieces ang ilalabas ng Studio Hope, pero knowing Liza's sophisticated and timeless fashion sense, sure na magiging classy, empowering, at world-class ang mga designs nito. So mga fans, anong masasabi nyo sa bagong venture ni Liza? Are you ready to wear Hope soon? Comment down below kung anong klaseng style sa tingin nyo ang magiging signature ng Studio Hope. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa lahat ng Liza Soberano news mula sa showbiz, Hollywood projects hanggang sa kanyang bagong fashion brand. This is My Chika, spreading hope and positivity.